This is the yard man. Does run not very well. On the verge of being fixed. And in here, if you give me 2 minutes, let me turn the lights on. Oh. Sorry about this, guys. I know the picture is going to be very dark and gloomy. Well, this is old Murray. I've lifted the back end up. I got an engine on the front. Yeah, nice little bit of kit again. Well, it will be when I finished with it. You can see that's the front end there. Yes. So, and the first one I showed you was Westwood. So I got my 140 MIG welder there to lift the rear end. But yes, thanks for watching and please subscribe.